Hey, good morning. This is Danny Peavy. I am the founder and CEO of One Week Website. And I wanted to take time out today to do a quick video about one of the websites we just did and talk a little bit more about whether your website is customer focused or we focused. Or, in other words, the number one problem that I think I see out there with websites, and frankly, one of the top reasons I started this company. Um, and I'm actually going to use a real live example of a website we did for a CPA firm and visually show people and show you what we did and really explain the why behind it. So before I do that, um, what we see and what I've seen is that most companies and most websites are notorious for not sufficiently stressing the tangible benefit of their services. For example, we help you keep more of your money, which ultimately helps your website visitors and your customers do business with you faster. And instead, companies and most websites are too we focused. And what I mean by that is, we do amazing taxes, or we do this, insert technical service words, right? And ultimately, if a website is too we focused and not customer focused, then you're not going to get as many people in the door or hit the business goals that you have for your company, especially with your website presence. Um, and so I want to show you that visually with the CPA firm Say and Weisinger, who are based out of Marietta, Georgia. We're helping them reach more clients by reworking their website content, reworking their content strategy to be more conversational and to put a stronger focus on the needs of the audience. So there's a cool tool called Wayback Machine, and whoever made this, thank you very much. But you can actually go back in time and see previous versions of a website. But when we met Say and Weisinger, this was their old website. And I'll talk a little bit later in the video about the technical aspect. But again, I wanted to focus on the number one issue I think is the most important as it comes to websites, which is the content. And so if you land on this page, every piece of your financial future matters, not bad. But if you go to the services, and click on any one of them, and if just take 1 or 2 seconds to read this, they offer corporate tax compliance services. So they order S Corp, or they offer S Corp tax preparation, C Corp tax preparation. They offer these services. So it's very we focused, right? And it's very much the corporate accounting speak, and it's very much not conversational, right? I mean, can you imagine meeting someone in person and saying, "Hi, this is who I am. This is what I offer." No, nobody, we don't talk like that amongst people, right? And so it's really important for your website to have a conversational focus that is customer focused and not we focused. And I think, you know, we do this, and I think the way the reason why the website industry is like this is because we just focus on design and development, and we don't focus on communication with our clients. And the reality is that we also, for my small business owners, we love our businesses, right? Our businesses are like our children, and we love them so much, and we know that we provide great value and great services. But you've got to get to a point in your business to where the value and the things that you do are, again, very great and very good, but they have to communicate the value that some customer who does not technically understand what you do, how is what you do going to help your customers' lives, right? And so if you go, page by page, and again, read these services, you'll see that it's very we focused. We do taxes, we do this, we do that. And so one of the first things that we did with Say and Weisinger is we did a 1 hour discovery call with them where we, dived into who they were as people, who they were as a company, and who their customer was. And we wrote and developed their content layout. So that means we named these menu items. We arranged the menu in a way that appeals to their audience. But most importantly, we wrote conversational copy that puts a stronger focus on the need of the audience. So partner level expertise every step of the way, put our 40 plus years of combined experience to work. So you instantly know they're a CPA, and then you know that they have partner level expertise, and that you as a visitor you're gonna put that expertise to work. And then as you scroll down, big firm aptitude without the big firm attitude. So right away, these guys are CPAs. They have the expertise of a big firm, but you're going to get an accessible CPA in a way that helps you, right? And it has nothing to do with technical language. And then, as you scroll down the page and read the copy, not only is it broken up in a way that reduces anxiety, it, again, has that conversational tone, and it explains the value of what they do towards their target audience. So our expertise is your accounting relief, right? So again, is your website customer focused or is it we focused? This is we focused. This is customer focused. So one of the things I just really stress with customers, again, we design more than just a website. We help you reach more customers. And this is your copy, your web copy, your pictures. It's one of the biggest, if not the biggest things that you need to have a better digital presence. The last thing I'll go over is some technical things. So, Google, and I had a friend, Mickey Mellon, say this. So Mickey, if you're watching this, thank you for this nugget. But, he said that, Google, they've changed their algorithms over the years. They've made some changes. They've been around 20 years. But 3 areas that are so important from Google's perspective are speed, security, and mobile responsiveness. A lot of these older websites are slow, and a lot of them are not secure. You can tell a website is secure by the green padlock here. And mobile responsiveness is essentially making sure that your website can adjust based on someone looking at it from a phone, an iPad, or a desktop computer. So if your website doesn't have that, then the odds of you ranking in Google for your products and services are really low. And the other thing that's important is to make sure that each service you want to rank for in Google has its own page. So Say and Weisinger does corporate and individual tax preparation. So as you can see here in the toolbar, they have their own page. And then guys, look at the way the content's structured, right? Like, even if you don't read this content, which if you do, again, it's going to be conversational and it's going to be customer focused, it's laid out in a way that reduces anxiety. So does your website reduce anxiety or increase anxiety? That's another way to tell, is if your website is we focused or customer focused. If it's we focused, then it's going to look like this, because all you really care about is having an online digital business card. But if it's customer focused, is it presentable, right? We've got 4 generations of people living today that all think different. And, millennials are a big segment of the population. And, you've got to have an updated website that's fast, that's secure, that's mobile responsive, so you rank in Google for your products and services. But you also, design-wise, need to have a layout that's very easy to digest. And, all these things are ultimately going to contribute to your bottom line. So, again, having a higher chance to rank in Google all relates to your security, your speed, and your mobile responsiveness. So I hope this video has been really helpful. Again, if you work with us or if you work with any web design company, it's more than just design. It's more than just development. Is your website customer focused or we focused? If you have any questions, please feel free to visit oneweekwebsite.com. We'll go ahead and bring that up here. And if you're interested in working with us, please go ahead and click the Get Started button, and we'd be glad to help you out. Have a great day. Thank you.